set up high availability in cloud computing environment. What is the requirement of using high availability? So high availability generally used to recover from failure or to backup and restore archive purposes. For example, suppose I am using one availability zone where my data are being stored, and due to some reason that data center fails or the availability zone fails, then it is very difficult to restore the same data by the cloud user. So that's why it is the responsibility of the service provider to provide backup in multiple availability zone. So in case of failure of one availability zone, the second availability zone provides the required information, or the same information or data can be retrieved from another availability zone. So that's why some of the services are high available or highly available. For example, S3. Since S3 uses global, so that means the same data can be replicated in multiple availability zone, multi-agent, so that the high availability can be achieved. In database management services like RDS, it is also highly available because the same data is replicated in many availability zones. So that means to set up the high availability, the cloud service provider must provide multiple agent or multi-agent. By using multiple availability zone for a particular resource, for a particular service, the availability becomes high. CloudFront, like content delivery network. The content delivery network must be fast, secure and highly available. So for this also, the multiple agent feature are going to be enabled or implemented. So that means the high availability can be achieved by setting multiple availability zone for a particular service or resource.